Will you buy at Yashano? Ha? Mick, what will you buy? Ha? Do you buy something like car?
Car.
What else?
What is?
No, do not repeat after me.
Wait of me.
Ah.
Sa Kristano na siya.
You will buy
Bye.
food.
Full.
Do not repeat after me, nga. Do you know DIY?
What do you eat?
Eat.
Ah.
What do you eat?
What do you eat?
SM.
Ah, SM. No, you cannot eat SM. That's a very big building. Inside the SM, we will eat Jollibee.
You eat Jollibee.
Jollibee. Wag siya magbuhat kanina sa car. Kaya ngun siya is empty to, is empty.
SM.
This is Mikmik. How old are you na? How old are you?
How old are you though?
I am 5, 6 years old.
56 years old ka na? Ah, 6 years old. 6 years old.
Where's your teacher?
Teacher. My teacher is Bonita.
Bonita?
Rose.
Rose. Bonita Rose.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live as bayan ko ibasan Paskaw ng Spati.
Wow.
Who is your father?
My father is Remil V.S. Nunez.
Ah, ano daw? Ah, Limel. Jim pangalan Pastor Noel. No. Add something. My father is Pastor
Pastor.
Limuel
Leo.
V. Nunez.
Leo Nunez.
Yan. My mother's name is
Is
Ma'am
Mom.
Desiree
Desiree.
Nunez.
Nunez.
Yan. Because your mother is a teacher and your father is a pastor.
Pastor.
Yeah. What is your
Your
ambition in life in the future?
What do you want?
What do you want?
everyone want
To be
be
to be a pastor.